Hello everyone, welcome back to again my new vlog. How are you guys? I hope all are you doing great and I am also doing great. So आज का vlog जो है मेरा प्रैक्टिसिंग के ऊपर है. मैं प्रैक्टिस कर रही थी, यहाँ पर कोई नहीं था तो सोचा क्यों ना मैं आपके साथ भी शेयर कर देती हूँ टूटी फूटी जो भी मैं प्रैक्टिस करती हूँ. और एक बात बताओ, एक्सपीरियंस प्रैक्टिस दो वर्ड होते हैं. प्रैक्टिस अलग चीज़ होती है, उसमें तो मिस्टेक होंगी. एक्सपीरियंस होता है, उसमें मिस्टेक नहीं होती हैं. तो यहाँ पर मैं प्रैक्टिस कर रही हूँ. सो लेट्स कम स्टार्ट विथ मी. सो यू कैन सी हियर दिस इज़ माई अर्थ स्टोव. सो आई ऑलवेज कुक द फूड ऑन दिस स्टोव. In this time I have cooked my lunch. You can see here there are many trees, many birds are chirping on their trees. So I am lonely in this time at my home because my children have gone to his school and my husband also gone to the field. And you can see here a beautiful kitten is sitting in front of me, the behind this pot, and he's seeing me. He's waiting for this bread. I have no milk today for him, but I have a bread. I always give milk, some milk, morning to evening, but it's afternoon time, so I am giving some bread piece to him. So he's eating. I think he's a very hungry. So he lives always here. You can see here it's my little garden, little kitchen garden. So two breads are put in my hand, and these breads for my cow and her calf. And this is a earth stove, here called this angithi. It's made tomorrow, will be tomorrow by me, and there are many dung peas. It's not called dung peas, but I don't know in Barkuli, Hindi में बताऊँ तो Barkuli. It's made by me, and Holi is coming soon, so every person made this on this festival. You can see here beautiful carrot are in my garden, and some tomatoes and coriander leaves, many decorated plants of flowers are in my kitchen garden. So the kitten is eating this bread, and I see there, it's my cutie. Hi, Radhe Radhe. How are you, Shyama? Shyama? Shyama, waiting for this bread. Yes. She wants more much. Oh, 1 second. Do you want this bread? Take it. Oh, she has eaten. She has eaten. This is a calf of my Shyama, and he's a very naughty. He is always naughty. Do you want to see? Mangal? Mangal, have you eaten the bread? Have you? Oh my God. He's very naughty. So my cow is sitting under the tree, and you can see here inside the lemon tree. It's me. I think 12 to 13 years ago. Oh my God, two lemon is putting under the tree. You can see it's a lemon. It's a fresh lemon, and this lemon, it's lemon hanging on top. I have not touched. I cannot touch, but it's totally ripe. So finally, they are put under on the ground. So my cow. What are you seeing me? What do you want me? Do you want this lemon? This is a very sour. You cannot eat. You cannot eat, Babu. its smell is very beautiful. Lemon smell always very good. So this is you can see here, this is our soap. This soap of the mustard oil and the wheat flour, any maize, and there are a very here are a very beautiful temple of my Lord Hanumanji and Jai Sri Ram Baba. And you can, this is a balance, a big balance of my soap. It is a electronic balance. And this is a spiller. This spiller always used to make the mustard oil. And two drum is putting under this spiller. When the spiller made the oil, so the oil is putting in this drum. So you can see there are too many big drum, so totally fill from the mustard oil, pure mustard oil, yellow and black mustard. So yellow and black mustard oil available in our shop. So there are many materials, there are many engines, machines of this spiller. So this is a very big shop. I am going to my room, but you can see the kitten is standing in front of me. He has eaten his bread, but some piece not. I don't know. I think he want the milk, but I have no in this time. He run away. So I am washing my hand from this water. It's a totally fresh water. Place have always a fresh water, fresh vegetables, fresh air. Any